Hello, editors. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cool text scramble animation inside DaVinci Resolve. So let's dive in. Drag down a Text Plus layer from Effects menu. Write down your text and use whatever font you like. I'm using Inner Font. Then change the size and tracking as you like. Then click this lil icon to jump into Fusion tab. Right-click in the blank area and select Text Scramble. Then click on the Modifiers tab. Make sure you're on frame 0 and put a keyframe for randomness. Then go to frame 20 and add another keyframe. Now go to Previous Keyframe and increase the randomness to 1. The basic animation is done, but I am going to add my secret sauce that will make it 10x better. In Inspector tab, select Tools and go to Setting. Check Motion Blur and adjust the values like so. Already looking much better. Now select your text node and head over to the spline editor. Now select Template and hit Ctrl plus F to see all the keyframes. Hit Ctrl plus A to select all keyframes and press S to smooth them out. Now hit Ctrl plus T and click this lock icon and increase ease values to around 50. Perfect. Now let's add some soft glow to it. Select Text node and hit Shift plus Backspace to open Effects menu. Search Soft Glow and click Add. Now adjust the values in Inspector tab to give the look you want. Congratulations! The animation is done. This is how the animation looks like. If this helps, please hit the subscribe button and like the video, it means a lot. And don't forget to comment what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.